$100 home payment. So, get rid of all those notions that I have to have the best. I have to have the, who cares about what other people think? Remember, it's your life and you have to do what you can afford. Stay in your budget and stay in your lane and mind your own business, okay? Because I know at the end of the day, when my bills come in the mail, I don't see nobody saying, oh, let me pay Marlene's bills. No. And I'm sure the same thing for many of my chat family too. Don't let family or friends or people or social media tell you what you should do. You have to know what you want to do. You have to know what you're worth. You have to know what your focus is. You have to know what your plan is for your life. Don't allow people on social media or people who don't support you anyways to get you down and to make you feel inferior. There's so many people on social media and in families and on the job that project their insecurities and their fears and their drama and their lies, and they want to make you feel bad because you're not like them, especially when you're a positive person, especially when you're about your grind and your hustle, especially when you have a personality that people like you. Other people don't like that. They don't understand why people don't like them. Well, maybe if you don't be cutthroat and nasty and drama filled and a backbiter and cheating every time you get an opportunity, maybe other people would like you. But that's another conversation for another day. But I did want to say that to everybody. We're not going into 2025 with the negativity from other people. See, we have learned the lesson. We know who we are. We know what we're worth. We know what we can do. And I want to say that to all my chat family. Thank you all so much for supporting me all of 2024. In 2024, I hit that 1K. I turned the camera on. Before I was just doing the podcast with the camera off. I got a little bit more comfortable over here. I hope you've enjoyed the content. And in 2025, I'm putting my foot on the gas. I got some things in the pipeline. I got some interviews coming. So one of them is going to be live. A few of them will be premiered. Yeah, I got some good things coming. I'm very excited about it. I got some really, when I say controversial, y'all put on your seatbelt for 2025. I got some very interesting people that is going to be coming to the Marlene Saunders show. So I can't wait for you guys to hear for the interviews, the conversations, because it's some people. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, okay? But it's some people who have been through some things, and I want to bring the real, because you know what I say over here on the Marlene Saunders show. I gotta represent my lineage, my ancestors, my bloodline. I'm proud to be a Saunders. Yes, much respect. Big up all my Rastas, me a Rastafari. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, Kristen. You love my content. Thank you, Realist One. And I think I had Vivi's Fitness and Blaze, Realist One. And anybody who's watching on the replay, make sure you hit that like, you subscribe, all of those YouTube things. And I will see you guys back in 2025, sometime next week. I'll put it on the community tab. And for those of you who can, run a playlist for your girl. You know, me trying to get those memberships so I can have those. You know how I do. If you guys have been a member on my other channels, you know how I do it in members only. And there's certain topics that I want to cover, but it's only topics that I want to give to my members. So let's get that 3K watch time, and we can do some of that spicy podcast conversations. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, supporting this channel, and welcome to 2025, coming soon in a few days. I wish you well, peace, blessings, elevation, health, happiness, and prosperity. This is Marlene of the Marlene Saunders Show. Real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not hit the like, please do so and subscribe. And I'll see you guys back in